Welcome back. Now look at other promotional events in the state.
Goa Timeline Ponda Property Fair will be held in Ponda on 14th and 15th February. Organizers claim this expo to be one of the biggest expo held in Goa.
And it will be inaugurated by the Honorable Minister of Public Works and Transport, Mr. Sudhin Dhaulikar, and Mr. Lau Mamandar, who is the MLA of Ponda constituency, and Mr. Sandeep Nigle, who is the Secretary.
VIP Arcade in Panji completed 20 years. The MD of VIP Industries Radhika Piramal felicitated VIP Arcade owner Sadiq Nurani on the occasion.
It was just luck that I started VIP. I took a bold step and I bought 3 suitcases in my first purchases. It took me around 8 to 9 months to sell first product. But once it started, the tempo started going on.
Representing all categories of bags, soft luggage, backpacks, ladies' handbags, laptop bags, and of course hard luggage, in which there are several new categories including lightweight and strong polycarbonate.
Vivek Prabhu and Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Ahilyabai Ramani Pratishthan will organize its annual Goa Half Marathon on Sunday at Ponda. The race will begin at 6 in the morning from Government Sports Complex in Ponda. Prize money of rupees 3 lakh will be awarded. According to the organizers, over 1,000 participants are expected to race. In the past, this event was held in Talauli. But as years have passed, the Ramani Marathon has grown bigger and is being shifted to Ponda.
This year's marathon will be held on 15th February at the Government Sports Complex at Ponda. The marathon will start at 6 a.m. sharp, and this will be followed by a prize distribution which will be held at 9 a.m.
I will get flagged off from the sports complex in Ponda, continue on the Belgaum highway, then turn on the right side towards the road leading to Talauli. So passing the Menino Hotel, the State Bank, and it will complete all the way right up to Unnir and cover all the other temples like the Kaure temple, and on the way back from Kapileshwari, it will again come back to the sports complex. The route entirely will be shared by the 3 groups, that is the 5 kilometers fun walk team, the 10 kilometers and the 21 kilometers.
The total prize money will be 3 lakh rupees. There will be a very well organized event management team. Now during this event, we are also very proud to say that Dr. Ramani will be releasing 2 new books. One is a book which is on jogging. It is dedicated by Dr. Ramani to the people of Goa. Dr. Ramani has always been trying to promote health in Goa.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.